Okay, following the previous video about the explanation of this overall audio fingerprinted digital watermarking recognition and identification system, we are just take a little time to explain uh, how do we install the app in the cell phone. So just first verify that everything is fine from the application. We are going to wait. Okay, it's running, everything's fine. It's just what simulation because sometimes if you have done something bad, they can give you errors. So basically, you debug. Okay, now for the serious implementation, uh, connect your mobile via USB to your computer. Then, okay, verify that actually is connected. Verify the in model configuration parameters that the hardware implementation is updating the values is Android device. Just put OK. The only thing that matters is this. Probably okay. Well, this was something on the debug, but also verify that you have the option to implement variable size arrays. Okay, we are going to put OK. And at the end, you just have to go here and put here the option to deploy to hardware. It will take like 1 minute and then it will show like a screen that the process is complete and more or less a readme. And what will you get is in your in the folder you have all the code, a folder with similar name of the Simulink archive file, where you have basically the conversion in the Android format. And I have here. So everything that we have done is expressive there. As for example, the name of the song, yes. Basically, with the help of the MATLAB coder, we can get Android applications that can work in the cell phone. So thanks for your attention.